Students, we had completed our chapter. Was anything left in the chapter? I think we had completed everything, reports also, forms also, everything we had completed. A few things. So here we have a question. You can do it on your own. Of course, those who don't have a laptop, for them creating a form would be a problem, because I have searched a lot, but I'm not getting any suitable app which works on databases, because databases, they are heavy applications and they require a lot of storage and they require a proper configuration also. Unfortunately, your smartphone is a very small device which has a very limited backup, that is, which has a very limited power source. Also, it has, although it uses a processor, but that processor is not as efficient as your computer, right? And there is very little storage also. Hence, because of these limited resources available on your smartphone, there are no suitable or full-fledged database applications like MS Access. MS Access, if you search on Play Store, you will find the MS Access viewer. That is, you can view the database and its objects, but you cannot make any changes in that. Although I had posted one example, MobiDB. So there, I was just going through it. I found out that we can create tables into it. So I will modify the question. That is, I will modify the questions. I'll tell you, all those who don't have laptops, how you have to write the project. Okay, how you have to work on your project. Of course, you will be working in groups and you can divide the work. So how you have to do more of written work in that case, right? Those who have a laptop, they can easily do it on the laptop and they just have to record a short video of 2 minutes on how they have first introducing all the members, then displaying all the details about their project, everything, all the details I had told you, and they have to demonstrate what they have done. So for them, it is easy. But for the others, those who don't have a laptop, now some or the other way, you have to sacrifice something or the other. Okay, so you cannot get all the things. हर चीज नहीं मिल सकती आपको दुनिया में. Okay, so few, somewhere or the other, you have to sacrifice. If you don't have a laptop, you have to do a lot of written work there. Okay, so let's see. We'll go to IT applications, and here this was it, Microsoft Access 2010 projects. So there were 3 case studies. The first one is a library management system. So I will just explain. Design a database in Microsoft Access to store information related to the inventory of books and the daily transactions with the help of table descriptions given below. So this is the table books and the description is given. So what those who have a laptop, they can easily do it. Okay. Those who don't have a laptop, what they need to do is they can wait. Everything is provided. So of course you won't be writing anything like this in your
Ma'am,
huh.
can we do this database in the older version?
Yes, you can do it in the old version. No problem. If you have the 2007 version or 2003 version also, you can do it in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's
And
not a
ma'am,
problem. Yes.
ma'am, please tell that website you were going to tell for download for installing Access, as we don't have on our laptops.
There is no particular website for doing that. Okay, actually, you have
Ma'am,
to get a whole package. 1 second, let me explain. You have to get the whole setup CD, okay, or ISO of MS Office 2010, right? And from there, if you have that, it will contain, because MS Access is not a separate application. It is a part of a MS Office suite, that is MS Office package. It comes along with Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, so you have to download it. Oh, I didn't. Nowadays, torrent sites are also blocked. So, okay, I will come to that a little later. Okay, let me think about it first. Right now, you can just check out. So those who don't have a laptop, they have to write this down in their copy. That is table 1, that is books, field names, data types, and description. So this you will be writing where? On the blank side. Question, this part you will be writing on the rule side, and the table you will be writing on the blank side. And next is, okay, you don't have to draw anything like this. This is what it will look on the screen. Next is issue details. Again, this block you will be drawing on the blank side. Members also you will be drawing on the blank side, right? Now let us come to the properties. Now these properties you have to write which property you will be changing. Okay, so how you will be doing this? On the blank side, you have already created books, right? So on the rule side, you are just going to specify like a primary key field. In 1 or 2 lines, you will specify, or in 1 line, you will specify the property which you will change. That is, you can simply write over here. The method. The method is design view, right click, select, or don't write select, you can write toggle. Primary key. Design view, right click, toggle primary key. So you have to write in short bullet points or in 1 line, very short, you have to write the method. Okay, book name, maximum size, these many characters. Which field are you going to change here? Which field property are you going to change here?
Short text.
Size. You are going to change, already you have set the data type, okay? It is already set. Data type पहले ही आप set कर चुके हो from here, right? Here you are changing the field properties by going to table. If you remember what are field properties, I'll just tell you. This is my table. Go to design view, and these are the field properties here. Understood? Field size, format, caption, validation rule required, right? So these are the field properties. So I will send you the screenshot of these field properties. So what you have to do is you just have to specify which field property you will change for this maximum size. Entry required. So which field is there? Required field has to be set as yes. That's what you have to write. Author size 50 characters. Again, which property? Size. Entry optional. So there it will be required, will be set as no. Required means it is not a required, or it is not a mandatory field. If person wants, he can even skip the entry here. Same way with publication also. INR format, that is Indian rupees format with 2 decimal places. So which property will you select? Format. And for 2 decimal places, let us check, like consultation fee is there. Let me switch on the ClassBreak application. And here you have decimal places. Here you have decimal places. What is given here? Auto. You have to select what? Number of decimals. Say it is, you want 2 places after the decimal, so you have to select 2. Format is currency, of course, so you just have to select currency over here. 1 second. So which currency you want? the simple currency which you have set. So you can simply set currency and within brackets you can write what? Indian rupee symbol. So format you will select as currency and decimal you will select as what? 2 places. Date format, medium date, again format field property and you will set it to medium date. Pages entry required, so required should be yes. Did you get an idea? Those who don't have the laptop or the PC, what you have to do, all this you will be doing on the ruled side. Please note it down. Okay, this you will be doing in the ruled side, and let me just, so I'm giving you the example of one question, rest you have to do. This will be done on the blank side. Coming down, this will be on the blank side. Then this will be also on the blank side. And here on the ruled side, you will be doing this. Same way with issue details also.
Ma'am, ma'am, the table which we have to write on the blank side, we have to write as it is.
Yes, that will be as it is. वही चीज तो दिखती है आपको स्क्रीन पे. Field name, data type, description, यही तो दिखता है डिजाइन व्यू में.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm not telling you the others. This all because you have a group. So copy. Yes, अब कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना. This is only for those who don't have laptop. If you have a laptop, you don't have to do this in copy. आपको वीडियो बनाना है उसका, आपको सिस्टम पे करके वीडियो बनाना है. If you have a laptop.
Ma'am, so those who are doing in copy, you have to click photos and send it to you.
Those who are doing it in the copy, so you will be doing it in a file. Okay, you can do it in a file with one side, or you can purchase a copy with one side blank, one side ruled. Okay, you can also, for best thing, bio file पता है, all the pages are separate in that. Purchase that, जितने जरूरत है उतने लगाओ, ठीक है, तो pages भी waste नहीं होंगे. One side blank, one side ruled. You can do it in that also. Just remove the bio pages or skip them. Yes, of course, you have to create a PDF and send me. Sif clicking photos and sending random photos on what? 1 second. First, let me complete. Okay. Then I'll give you the chance to ask your questions. You can ask your questions once I complete. Okay. Please write your question somewhere in the copy. Whatever question is cropping up. आज हम यही करेंगे. आपके जो भी doubts हैं, हम वो clear करेंगे because हमारा first half yearly का course हमारा complete हो चुका है. So whatever doubts you have regarding this MS Access or HTML, I am going to clear that today. Okay. So first you listen to me. Those who have a laptop, they don't have to do copy work here. आपने लैपटॉप में किया काम और उसका आपने एक 2 मिनट का वीडियो बनाया. जितना कम रख, जितना शॉर्ट वीडियो रख सको उतना अच्छा है. 2 मिनट इज द मैक्सिमम लिमिट. ओके, 2 मिनट से तो ज्यादा होना ही नहीं चाहिए. और जितना कम हो उतना अच्छा है. मिनिमम 30 seconds, maximum 2 minutes, right? That too because Rachit had requested for this. If you can do it in 1 minute, that's even better. What you have to do is you have to do this as it is specified. In MS Access, you will not require more than 1 hour, or 1 hour bhi bahut zyada hai. You will not require more than 45 minutes to do this. Okay, if you do it diligently. Because MS Access is very user friendly. You just have to follow all the steps. Everything has been explained in the class in great detail. पूरे एक महीने से हमने यही MS Access पढ़ा है. Okay, so you can do it easily, and whatever you have done, just shoot that, make a video and send that video. So that video would be a testimony. It will be a proof and evidence that you have done this. Okay. Those who don't have a laptop, बेटा कहीं ना कहीं आपको sacrifice करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपके पास laptop नहीं है तो this is an alternative method. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको जो table है, initially I have already mentioned what you have to write on the blank side. On the ruled side, you will be writing this question. ये जो चीज है case study, okay, then this information, what is up, that is introduction. ये सब आपको कहाँ लिखना है, रूल्ड साइड में. right? This question also in the ruled side. फिर blank side पे table 1, table 2, table 3. Then on the ruled side, you will just mention how I have already given you the example for this one. All this we discussed, this has to be done on the ruled side. यही चीज आपको table 2 के लिए करना है, यही चीज आपको table 3 के लिए करना है. Then we are going down. Next is again same thing, field property, वो उसी का part था. Create a relationship among the tables. तो आप लिख लें अभी कि आप relationship कैसे change करते हैं. Please write it down, okay? First thing, you have to go to database tools. I'm just going to magnify and I'm not going to write. You are going to write. You will go to the database tools tab. You have to go to database tools tab. Okay, 1 second. Maybe I can give it to you. Just a second. मैं यहाँ पे बता दूंगी, कॉपी अगर है तो कॉपी में लिखते जाइए. Yes, now listen carefully. Database tools tab. Number 1. Okay. Number 2, you have to check into relationships group. This is the group. This is second point. Number 3, relationships option. Number 1, database tools. Number 2, relationships group. Number 3, relationships option. लिख लिया?
What are you telling this?
My dear, if please pay attention when I'm explaining something. Come to this one. Wait. Create a relationship. Yes. Yes.
Between.
Yes. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या हो गया? Meet Chauhan. What happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
All okay? बोलते भी नहीं हो. कुछ बोलना है तो वो साफ साफ बोलो ना.
सही है यार. हम सब सही है.
मैडम को क्या बोल रहे हैं? सब सही है यार.
मैम सब सही है. करेक्ट.
हाँ यार, वर्ड दोबारा मुझे सुनाई दिया ना, फिर देखना.
Ma'am, I was just checking my internet connection.
Okay, you were checking. Is it okay? Is it working fine?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is correct.
Doesn't sound okay. Anyways, let's see. We have to adjust to every situation these days. Create a relationship among the tables using the option relationships in tools menu. Now we are not working with menus anymore. We are working with tabs, right? I had, if you remember, we had discussed something related to employee and department, common field DNO, that is department number, if you remember that. That is for connecting the two tables. That is for establishing a relationship between the two tables. It was something like this. Relationships. Do you remember this? How we had done this? Okay. Yes, ma'am. तो यही चीज मैं बता रही हूँ यहाँ पे कि आपको रिलेशनशिप कैसे बनाना है. So first you have to go to database tools tab. Second, you have to go to relationships group. This is the second step. And the third step, you have to go to relationships option. तो ये आप कॉपी में लिख लें कि आपको क्या करना है. Number 1, database tools tab. Number 2, you people are so into spoon feeding. एक एक चीज मुझे बताना पड़ रहा है. Relationships group. This is the second step. And the third step is relationship options. Relationships option. First step is database tools tab. Second step relationships group. Third step relationships option. Okay. ये लिख लो बेटा जल्दी से, so that I can tell you the next step.
मैम इसका करना क्या है? मैम what we have to do?
One second. Who is this who is asking this question? इसका करना क्या है? Is it Madhav Mangal? I think was your voice.
Yes, ma'am. What we have to do?
What we have to do, this I have been repeating right from when the class started, Madhav. 9 बजे से क्लास स्टार्ट हुई है और तब से मैं बोल रही हूँ कि क्या करना है.
Ma'am, we have started the recording.
Yes, I have started the recording.
So, okay,
It
then
means, it absolutely means you were not paying attention.
No, ma'am, paying but not. समझ में नहीं आया.
Am I speaking in French, my dear?
No,
Am I speaking in some foreign language or some alien language that you cannot understand what I am saying?
No, ma'am, I will see the recording.
Right from when the class started, we have been discussing about how you have to proceed with your project work in MS Access. And this is how you ask questions to the teachers. मैम इसका करना क्या है? कुछ नहीं, इसका अचार बनाना है और अचार को बाहर सूखने डालना है. क्या भाषा देखो अपनी यार.
Sorry.
Okay. Right from the beginning, we have been discussing all those who were not paying attention. Now, I'm going to repeat it only for the last time. We were discussing how you will be proceeding with the project in case you don't have a laptop. All those who have a laptop or a PC, they can easily proceed. Now, everything is given in the question itself. You were given 3 case studies, any one of 3 case studies. So we are just seeing one example, case study 1, that is library management system. You have to create a database over here, right? That is your work. That is what you have to do. जो करना क्या है? Answer to the question करना क्या है? You have to create any one of these 3 projects which are mentioned. Second thing, those who have a laptop, they have to read the question, proceed as usual. Okay, just read the instructions and you will be able to understand what you have to do. So you can see the very first thing here, design a database to store information related to inventory of books and daily transactions with the help of table descriptions given below, right? So if you have a PC, you can easily do it on PC, and whatever you have done, you have to make a short video of it, right? Firstly, you will be showing the entire database. What are the tables? You will be introducing your tables first. You will be introducing about any specific, basically you are going to stress on the properties, the field properties which you have changed. Okay, कहाँ कहाँ आपने कौन सी field property change करी है, आपको बस वो दिखाना है, right? और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा ये करने में, right? If there is any special thing, like if there is primary key field, that you have to explain. If there is creating a relationship, this you have to explain. This is for those who have a laptop, right? So this you will be explaining that I went to this option, this is it. You will just click it and you will just show me that this is the relationship which is created. Like I can show it to you over here. How? If you already have a relationship which is created in your table, then you will be, one second, you will be showing it to me this way. First, I went to database tools, then I went to relationships group, then I went to relationship, and this is the relationship which I have created. अगर आपने सारे steps follow किए होंगे तो ये बिल्कुल सही से काम करेगा. I will be able to see this connection between the tables. So those who have a laptop, those who will be doing the video work, you will be able to display this in your video. So jaldi, you just have to make a run through of what you have done in all, and if possible, you can just show me, like if you have inserted input mask somewhere, so you can just demonstrate how that input mask is working. No need to show me the background. If you have applied data validation in your table, you just have to show me the output. Enter a wrong value, it should display an error message, and enter a correct value, it should not display an error message. That's what you have to show. If you have done the validation correctly, you will be able to show it properly. Okay, तो वहां आपको बैकग्राउंड दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? सो आपको शॉर्ट में 2 मिनट मैक्सिमम टाइम दिया गया है, ये सारी चीजें आप आराम से एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो उसमें. Those who are going to do the file work, I have already explained everything right from the beginning कि आपको क्या क्या करना है. One table, what you have to write, this thing you have to do in the rule side, that is set the field properties. Okay, what field properties? One example I have already given and explained in detail. Second one, table 2, table 3, you will be doing on your own. So this table 2 also setting the field properties, you will be doing in the rule side. Table 3, now this thing you don't need to write, okay? You just have to write the name of the property which you are changing. So this is also to be done in the ruled side. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Next, we were coming to this, that is create a relationship among the tables using this option relationships. First relationship is books and issue details. There are two tables, books and issue details. So how you will be doing it? Look here carefully. So for this, you will be going to database tools, you will be going to relationships, and you will be going to edit relationships. You can just note it down. Database tools, relationships. I'm closing this. Database tools, relationships. If already relationships are there, that will be displayed. If it's not there, it will be blank, right? So you'll be going to edit relationships. So you get this dialog box here. Create new. So you will go to create new. You can write it down. Edit relationships के अंदर आपको कहाँ पे जाना है? Create new पे. This session is being recorded, okay, and I will be uploading it today. So whatever, wherever you get stuck, you can just play the recording and see it for yourself. Create new. Here you have to select left table name, right table name. So I'm just going to take a snip of it. Previous one I have closed. Yes. Now look here. What you have to do is you have to go to create new, right? So in this page, it is the first step, create new. Sorry. This is not the first step. The first step is this, edit relationships. Second is you have to go to create new. When you go to create new, this will appear. Okay. Select books from here and select issue details from here. Left column name you have to select over here. So what is the left column name? You have to read the question. One very important drawback of yours is you people don't read the question. It's given accession number 1 to accession number. Now look very closely, okay? We'll just move to the field that is accession number. So accession number is a primary key in which table? Books table. That means there would be only one value of accession number. Every book will have an accession number. Fine. Coming to issue details. What is the primary key over here? It is issue ID. And what is accession number over here? It is the foreign key. I had explained very in great detail when you refer to a primary key of some other table. Okay, that becomes a foreign key in the current table. So this accession number refers to every book, right? So it is quite possible that many people are issuing one book. Maybe there is a bestseller book and that book has accession number A01. So it is quite possible that many people are accessing are issuing this book. So it is quite possible that for every issuer, this accession number might get repeated. right? And that is why you see an infinity symbol in the question. This infinity symbol shows one to many. Means in the table, there could be multiple accession numbers which are given to different people, right? So it can be possible that customer C01 has issued this book, customer C02 has issued this book, customer C03 has issued this book. Okay, so it is quite possible that this book is issued by multiple people. Hence, here it is many and here it is one to many relationship. Got it? So what you will be doing is from this side also you will be select, because accession number is the common field. So you will select accession number from both places. I am not able to show it practically to you. Why? Because for that I need to first create the table. It means I am doing the project, which I am not going to do. Okay, I'm just explaining to you how you have to do it. So ये सब कर लेने के बाद आप क्या करोगे? ओके प्रेस करोगे. Okay, once you do this, you will be clicking on OK. Once you click on OK, the relationship will be displayed here. First, left table, right table, accession number, accession number, and then you will click on create. So number 3 is this, right? And then number 4 is clicking on the create button. And when you click on the create button, your tables will appear over here and they will be joined to each other. तो वो relationship आपको यहाँ पर display हो जाएगा. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, please ask me. Do it in a group. If you do it in a group, you will understand it better. Next is member issue details. Now there are two tables, members and issue details. Member is there. What is the primary key? Member ID is the primary key. But here, you have to now within member ID, within the members table, member ID is the primary key, right? Coming to issue details, this member ID has been used here. That means now this member ID acts as a foreign key over here. Okay, that is multiple, that is the same person can issue more than one books. एक ही बंदा है, एक ही कस्टमर है, member, say for example, I'm just going to take C01 only to represent a member. Okay, so C01, he likes A01 book, C01 likes A02 book, C01 likes A03. So he can access more than one books depending upon the number of maximum books which he can issue. Okay, maybe this library offers 5 books to be issued by people. In our school it is not there, but when you move to colleges you will find that they will provide you maximum 3 books or 5 books depending upon your stream. Normally in engineering they allow you to issue 5 books for a week or 5 books for 2 weeks or even sometimes for the whole semester. Okay, so this way one person can issue more than one books. So again here you can see a one to many relationship. One member with multiple books. Here member ID is given. Why? Because member ID is the common field. Okay, it is the common field in both the tables. Which tables? Issue details and members. दोनों के बीच में connection किससे हो रहा है? Member ID से हो रहा है. That is the reason why you will be creating a relationship between member and issue details also. कहने का मतलब ये है कि सारे टेबल्स को पहले कनेक्ट करो. How it will appear? Please look here. Wait. So we have three tables here. One is books. The second one is issue details. And the third one is members. Now books has a primary key field, that is accession number. Okay, this is the primary key. So that is why I am just underlining this. If I underline something, you should understand it is a primary key. Next is issue details. Has issue ID, which is the primary key here. It also has member ID. And it also has accession number. Right? And I'm just going to type here F, because F represents what? Foreign key. I'm writing it here. Right? And member table, it has a primary key field, member ID. Now you people tell me, what is the common field between books and issue details?
Accession number.
Yes. So this can be the relationship between books and issue details. ठीक है, आपको relationships tab में बिल्कुल ऐसे दिखेगा, right? Next is members. What is the common field between issue details and members?
Member ID.
Member ID.
Member ID. This is the common field. Finally, when you create this relationship, this is the picture which you will be seeing over here in the relationships area. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आपको ये तीनों tables ऐसे दिखेंगे. This shows that all these three tables are connected, and now you can create forms on this. You can create a query on this. You can create reports on this. Anything involving all three. Suppose I want to figure out. I want to display list of all members. List of all members, that is their names and the books which they have issued. How will you find out? First of all, members. Suppose we have a member with member ID M01. So this, because these two tables are connected, so it will be checking for this member ID M01 here. It will find a member ID. उस member ID से ये पता चलेगा कि उसने कौन सी book issue कराई है. Maybe that member ID M01, he has issued a book named A01. Okay, and here A01 refers to a book named Art of Living. So because you have already connected the three tables, if you are designing a query, you can select what? From the first one, you can select member name. आपने सिर्फ member name select किया यहाँ पे, okay? और second वाले से आपने क्या select किया? Only book name. Relationship is already created. So when you run this query now, you will be able to see all the names of the members along with the book names which they have issued. Although all this information is not there in one table. तीन अलग-अलग tables में information divided है. So because you created a relationship between the three tables, you were able to access the members along with the books they have issued. ये होता है DBMS. That is database management system. जो आप पढ़ रहे हो ना बेटा, हमने ये graduation में पढ़ा था. You should feel lucky that you are reading it, you are studying it now, you are learning it now. Okay, so this is how a DBMS helps in connecting the dots. It helps in connecting data. You can connect the data, you can establish relationships among the data, and you can access almost any type of data. Now, if I have to figure out, that is, now let's move on and let's see what else is asked in the question. Now enter at least 10 records in each table and check the integrity of data. Integrity of data means, if suppose you have, now I'll just give you an example of integrity of data. Books contains book accession numbers from A01 to A10. That is, it will be having A02, A03, A04 up to A09, A10. Okay? There are only 10 books specified in the books table. So in issue details, you cannot have any book which contains accession number 1A11. ये नहीं कर सकते आप. Understood? That is because you already have 10 books and you are trying to access the 11th book which does not exist. So that will give you what? An error. Understood? So this is what you have to check. This is known as integrity check. Because all the data is connected, you have to make sure that if you are using a primary key field as a foreign key in some other table, एक बहुत जरूरी चीज ये सुन लो, ठीक है? It is a rule of databases worldwide. If you have a table, this is the parent table, right? And you have a table which is your child table. How? Here you have a primary key field. And this primary key field has been used as a foreign key here. तो इस फॉरेन की में, इस चाइल्ड टेबल में आप प्राइमरी की कोई ऐसी वैल्यू यूज नहीं कर सकते जो पेरेंट टेबल में नहीं है. इफ आई हैव द वैल्यूज हियर P01, P02, P03, so you are allowed to use only these values here in the child table. You cannot use any value P04 because P04 is not any valid record. P04 does not denote to any valid record in the parent table. Hence, you cannot use that P04 within the child table. Okay. People, let's take example of people working in the departments. So I'm going to explain it with that. This is your employee table. This is your department table. How many departments do you see here? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Right? So आपको यहाँ पे 10 से लेके 50 तक departments दिख रहे हैं. Can you specify any new employee? Say I'm going to enter the name of the employee as and let me take that person as assistant working in a department named 60 with department number 60. What does this show? I have specified, I have hired a new employee Rajat Saxena who will be working as an assistant in department 60. अब मैं department में जाती हूँ, यहाँ 60 नाम से तो कोई भी record नहीं है. Which department is Rajat working in? 60 should be a fictitious department, that is a non-existent department. तो ये problem होगी कि नहीं होगी ये बताओ. If you are specifying the department of an employee as something which is not there in the parent table, so what will it be? Later on when some processing is done or the number, a record is needed of all the employees who are working in all departments, of course Rajat Saxena is the one who will be left out completely because 60 is not a valid department. It doesn't refer to any particular proper department in the company. So what is happening over here? He might face problems regarding his salary. He might face problems regarding his promotions later on. Okay, he might face problems regarding appraisals and other things. Got it? इट? तो आपके और आपने डेटाबेस किसके लिए बनाया है? फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। अगर डेटाबेस में गड़बड़ी होगी तो काम स्मूथली चल पाएगा क्या? टेल मी।
No, ma'am.
So that is exactly the reason this is known as integrity check. Okay, that is to check whether you are inserting. Please mute your mic. Just wait, students, I'll just wrap this up. So this is known as integrity check. So this is what you have to do. You have to check the integrity, whether you are using any data which is non-existent. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको इतना ही करना है. Was this clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Very simple. The first one is very simple. इसी तरह से आपके पास केस स्टडी 2 है, इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. सो आई वांट यू, वन सेकेंड, आई वांट यू ऑल टू प्रोसीड इन द सेम वे. फर्स्ट यू रीड द एंटायर क्वेश्चन, स्टेप बाय स्टेप रीड करो कि किस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है, राइट? एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू प्रोसीड. गॉट इट? यस. नाउ आस्क मी.
Ma'am, what is the video limit?
2 minutes.
Okay.
So thank you everyone. If you want, you can leave the meeting, and those who want to ask questions, they can stay.